Hi, I'm Guido from Wacom, and we got frequently the question, okay, now I have a Wacom tablet and I think I need some software tools to make proper home teaching or online teaching. So what applications I can use? And to be honest, there is a vast variety of applications you can use. You can use software you have to pay for. You can use free open source software. But in this short video, I want to explain how you can use the combination of a Wacom tablet, the Wacom One interactive pen display in this case, and a Wacom software like the Bamboo Paper as a nice tool to do your homeschooling or get your homeschooling materials sorted. So basically, I'm having here my Wacom One interactive pen display, and I have installed the Wacom Bamboo Paper app. You can find it in the App Store of your Macintosh and Windows operating system, and you can also find it on your Android and iOS phones, and you can synchronize the content between these different platforms. And what is it? It's basically blank space, and you have notebooks, different notebooks. And I've prepared some notebooks here already with some lessons I have. So I have my English lessons here, I have my math lessons here, I have my German lessons in here, and I can really easy add as many notebooks as I want by just clicking the plus key. Now I have different, I would say, notebook colors. To choose a blue one here and give it a name. So in this case I use, what do I use? I use chemistry here, okay. And now if I click on this one, I open my chemistry notebook and I have a blank space. And now here it is. I have my pens. This is a whole selection of pens with different pens. I have a ballpoint pen, I have a pencil, and I can choose some basic settings in here. And then I use my Wacom pen to draw strokes and to annotate, to write. Or I can do whatever I would do on paper. And on the other circle here, I have my colors. In this case, I can use the blue color here for the pencil, or I use the black color here for my note pen. And you can see how easy it is with an interactive pen display that you can write almost like on paper. And the nice thing is, since we're talking about Wacom pens here, which are pressure sensitive, the more you press, the wider gets your stroke, and this makes it so natural and so nice to look. However, this is just a notebook, but you can do much more. So you can add more pages here, and you can add content to your page. That means then you can add images, like PNG images. For example, we're talking about chemistry here. Let's see if I have some proper content. Let's add this chart in here, which is a PNG asset. I can rescale it, I can resize it, and then this is part of my notebook, and now I can use my pens either to highlight things like here, or I can use a different pen. Let's take the pencil again in black to annotate. Very easy, very easy to understand, very easy to use, very intuitive, and it's free of charge. Don't forget, it's free of charge. You can download it on your App Store, and it can synchronize via your Wacom ID with your different platforms, and you can add as many notebooks as you want.